Let's get into the solutions. So now I'll try on the mask for you. This is the 6-inch wide, select a size. So first open up the mask and form the nasal portion. I'll slide it under my glasses. With the thinner rubber bands, it's easier to stretch over your ear. And if let's say it tugs on the front of your ear, just run your finger around it, and that just gives a little more slack on top. Then you reach around here, just loop it on, and then adjust. So, okay. Now I'll try on the multi-fold paper towel mask, which is a little bit smaller. I'll compare the sizes for you. So this multi-fold is about 10 inches long, square, and you can see it's also thinner. Okay, so open up the mask like this, put it over your nose. This one's a little bit smaller. Loop it over your ear. Loop it over your ear. So feedback as I'm wearing the commercial grade paper towel is that it's harder to breathe. When I breathe in, I can feel the entire mask suck into my face, which provides some kind of seal. I can feel it pulling in. It's a little bit harder to breathe than the Bounty paper towel mask, but has a nice fit. Just note when you're assembling the mask, I folded all of the tabs forward, okay, and then have the staple facing out away from the mask. Even the N95 masks have the staples facing outwards. Comfort is very important. You don't want these staples scratching your face or having the paper tabs on the inside where you can feel the pointy corners. So for the last mask, I'll show you how to put on the chain link rubber band. So take off your glasses if you're wearing one. You're going to open up the mask, create the bowl, and then loop it over the top of your head. If you want, you can apply it towards your crown so it angles upwards, or you can also, if it's too tight, you can let it rest on the top of your ear, similar to glasses. So for me, like it a little bit tighter, I'll wear it a little higher, and then you can put your glasses back on if you have them.